Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
You only survive because I let you. You only exist because I allow it.
Did you grab anything when you walked out the door?
I grabbed nothing but two Tortino's pizza out of the refrigerator and my doggy, and we left. That's it. I tried to grab some other things, but they wasn't even worth it.
Okay, everybody, I know quarantine can be kind of tough, and that's why I brought you something that I think will help out. Wait, where'd you go?
I'd give my life on you. 'Cause you are the reason why I'm still.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
3 is a magic number.
It may be empty, or weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight.
Guys, I think there's something wrong with my dog.
Girls with the big old hoops that drop it down and dance.
The other king, gita pampana kitu veteran, I'm throw my gong. And the other king, gita pampana.
Hey, honey, what you got there?
Popcorn from Dairy Queen. Wanna try?
Sure.
Good, huh?
Hey, wait a second.
What?
This isn't popcorn, you idiot. It's popcorn shrimp!
Oh, I knew there was something familiar about it.
Hold on. Where are the kids?
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
So I just got this new vacuum cleaner and I wanted to show it to you guys because it's pretty cool, because you don't even need to plug it in or anything. It just comes by the sound of something hitting the floor. So watch. And now it'll come and it'll...
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Beep, beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, I'm a sheep.
Hi, Coda.
Girl, what did that girl just say, girl? Girl, I don't dance, I work. I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, strut, strut. And
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is parkour. Internet sensation of two.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Story time. I'm a vet tech, and one time I was rooming this lady for an appointment with her little dog who was covered in bugs. I searched this dog high and low for bugs, couldn't find a single one. So I said, ma'am, can you please point out these bugs to me? She said, oh my gosh, can't you see them? They're right on his belly. She showed me her dog's nipples and proceeded to try to rip them off. I said, ma'am, no, stop. Those are his nipples. She said, there's no way he's a boy. I said, ma'am, that doesn't mean he doesn't have nipples. Those are definitely his nipples. Notice how they're so symmetrical. She said, no, there's no way he's a boy. I said, ma'am, doesn't your husband have nipples?
Ew.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?